Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I organize my bras, panties and basically my lingeries. So this is how I organize my lingeries and I really wanted to show you guys how I do that and where I've got this storage from, and really excuse those noises. At the back, it's the kids from the neighborhood and I'm really sorry. So if you want to know how I organize it, keep on watching.
நீங்களும் ஜாலியா வீட்ல இருந்துட்டே சம்பாதிக்கணுமா?
டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல இருக்க லிங்க்ல போய் மீஷோ ரீசெல்லிங் ஆப்பை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணுங்க.
₹1 கூட முதலீடு தேவையில்லை.
இந்த ஆப்பை எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணி சம்பாதிக்கணும்னு தெரியணும்னா மேல இருக்க கார்ட்ஸை கிளிக் பண்ணி டீடைல்டான வீடியோ போய் பாருங்க. So this is the first one and I've got 8 compartments in this, so I'm just going to organize my panties in here. I've got this along with 2 other storage from Amazon. I'm going to place my panties one by one in this and I'm just going to segregate, like I have my period panties, my lace panties and all those different types of panties, and I'm just going to place that in some particular order. You can place it in a way you like. It's a fabric, so you just have to wash it every once in a while and make sure it's really hygienic. This is how it looks. If you have more panties, you can buy more from Amazon. I will leave the links in the description box. Now I'm going to take this rack and in the first line I'm going to place my sports bras because that is what I use like very often. I wear sports bras every day, so I'm just placing everything in there. So as you can see, all of my sports bras in here, I have placed it really well and I've left one compartment because that is all I have, and also it is like too tight, so I just left it just like that. And now I'm going to go on to the second line and in that I'm going to place my unpadded cotton bras and I'm going to store it in such a way that I just can take it whenever I want. So I have only 4 non-padded, 4 or 5 non-padded cotton bras. So I've stored everything in there, and in the third line I'm just going to store my spaghetti tops, my like very much thin strap tops, and also let's just store it. Go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong. And now in the next rack I'm going to place my socks, my gym wear socks, my normal socks and everything. So all of these are ready. I have placed all my sports bras, normal bras, my spaghetti tops, my socks and everything. I always suggest you to store your bras like this so that it can stay hygienic and also the bras won't get spoiled. Now I'm going to take this bra bag. I will leave the link of this also in the description box down below. It's a travel bra bag and in this I'm going to store the bras that I won't wear that often, and the bras that I'm going to store in this bag is really expensive and good branded bras. So I'm going to place everything in this and I'm just going to pack it really tight and place it in my cupboard because I don't really wear these bras too often. Like if I wear party wear or something like that, I wear these bras and I'm just going to close it and that's it. I won't reach out to it frequently, so I just love to store it like this. And if you are like me and if you won't reach out to a few bras that often, then you can place it in this travel bra bag, and I will definitely leave the link of it in the description box down below. I think I've blabbered. So yeah, I really love this bag, and whenever I go out, like whenever I travel to a different state or wherever, I just carry this bag and I place my bras in this, and it's quite handy also. I really love this bag. Next up I have this plastic box kind of thing. If you don't want to use plastic, you can use something else, but I haven't really find anything else, so I'm going to use this plastic and I'm going to place my padded everyday bras and some push-up bras in this basket or box. It's a bit of a big box because we're going to place padded bras in here, so it has to be big. You cannot really place it in a very small box. I always suggest you to place your padded everyday bras like this because you know, if you place it directly in the cupboard, it will just get spoiled so much, and I highly recommend you to place your padded bras like this so that it won't get spoiled or it will be hygienic as well. I always love my bras to be hygienic, to be clean and neat, and yeah, it's a big thing, you know. More than our dress, our lingeries are really important, so I love to store it really well. And it has a lid as well. I'm not really sure if we can, you know, close the bra box. You can just, you know, surf it and see, and my preference is to close the box and store it. And yeah, this is how I have stored my lingeries. Please ignore the mess around me, and all of these are really affordable. I will leave the links in the description box down below. And I've got few of these things from Amazon. And yeah, this is a set. One has 24 compartment, and I've stored my bras in there, and the other has 8 compartment, and I've stored my panties in there. And the other thing is this one, which I haven't really used, and I don't think I will use it also. So this is a set, and it is for under 500 rupees. I will share the link in the description box down below. So yeah, that's it. I hope you really like this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Kirti. Bye.